Hey everybody, welcome to today's play call. What we're going to do today is look at some charts, look at the technicals, and look at what's going on in the market. So right now we have a quiet market. All eyes are on earnings, which again, we have Netflix tomorrow after the bell, then on Wednesday, Tesla after the bell. So those are going to be the big tech drivers for the week. But what we're going to look here, we have Bitcoin's chart up. Now, again, one of the things to pay attention to, see this candle right here, how you have a tail on top and bottom? That's known as a doji, and that candle essentially tells you that a reversal is coming. It tells us that smaller buyers were trying to break out above this 30,500 level, and bigger buyers pushed it back down. Look at today's price action, it's coming back in. Now, you might say, well, okay, why did it come down to a level of, let's say, the low 29,000 and stop there at this point? Look at these highs, right? So if you take that high of that candle and draw a trend line right over, you almost get that exact low. So that's why the technical level has held. We'll have to see if it does continue to hold. I still have it priced in to actually fall even more over the coming days. Next up, let's go to natural gas. Now, natural gas, guys, in the last video, in the video before that, I've been saying this is one of the plays, my favorite plays, low risk, high reward as it comes to with natural gas. And what we can see here, if we zoom in, right? So let's take a look here. Natural gas has begun to blast higher 2 days in a row. What I like about this is you're now above the key 225 level on natural gas. You're trading at 238. This is an amazing move. If we go over to the 10-minute chart, look at that rocket ship today. Now, this is actually known as bullish consolidation. So we should see, again, this start to move up either later today or tomorrow and continue higher. Silver, we talked about a short on silver last week. I told you in verified investing alerts that I put out a short by buying ZSL. That was off of this high pivot. That was resistance. Look at the retrace starting already. Where's this going to go? There's a trend line sloping here. You're looking for a target right around $24 on silver. So again, look for silver to pull back to that level. Lastly, I got to touch on Apple here, guys. And again, Apple's chart into a lot of resistance. One of the things that caught my eye over the last couple of weeks is Jerome Powell, the Federal Reserve, saying that we are going to have a mild recession. Remember, if they're saying mild, it probably won't be mild, it'll be worse. So again, you're looking at charts like this that have Apple, a $1,300 iPhone, stuff like that, where you have an upgrade cycle. My guess is it'll take longer for people to upgrade. They're going to be a little bit more conservative on how they spend their dollars. I think Apple has made a huge run here, major trend line resistance. My guess is you're going to start to pull back over the next couple weeks into earnings and through earnings. You guys have a great one, and just take a pan out here. We got all our traders in office this week. It is fantastic. You guys have a wonderful rest of your day.